Okay, let's read the story problem. Theo puts his stickers in 5 rows. There are 3 stickers in each row. How many stickers does Theo have? Okay, after reading the problem, let's work it out. As we are doing this, what are we asked to find? What question did it ask us to find? What answer are we trying to find? Kinley?
How many stickers does Theo have?
Okay, trace these words. How many stickers does Theo have? Or how many stickers Theo has? Here it's asking. How many stickers? Computer doesn't like me today. Okay. Now, what information should we use? I know it already kind of gives us the answer, but let's go through it. Isaac, what does it want to use? Yes, you know that there are 5 rows. I think it's what I'm right. Something like when I write. Oh, there we go. 5 rows. Maybe it's just slow today. I just had a hard time waking up. And so we want to know that there's 5 rows of stickers. And then how many stickers are in each row? 3 stickers in each row. Okay. Now, let's talk about how to solve this problem. We could use counters, okay? Which we would have to go in the closet and I would have to give you counters, okay? Which counters are just little circles, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just going to have you make little circles. Will that work? You're going to draw the little circles instead of getting them out.
How much?
Okay? How much are we going to do? Very good question. Let's look. If we have 5 rows of stickers, I'm going to tell you about rows. I think about rows as, okay, when you go into a movie theater, how many of you went to a movie before in the movie theater? Raise your hand if you've been in a movie theater. Okay. If you've been to a movie at the movie theater, you're going into the movie and you walk down, right? Into the movie. There are rows of seats, right? Right? Okay. That is rows, like you're going down. So when you're thinking about rows, I'm going to draw a circle. And how many rows am I supposed to have? 5. So it's going to be like I'm walking down the rows. Does that make sense? Okay, so you're having 5 rows. Okay. If you've never been to a movie, it's like maybe walking down. If you've ever been to a ball game, have you been to a ball game? Okay. When you walk down, there's seats, you know, and you have to go sit down.
Oh yeah, I've went to
Okay. So that's like the rows too. Okay. All right. Now there are 3 stickers in each row. So if I have 5 rows, we need to have 3 stickers in each of them. So I have to have 3 stickers in this row. Okay. I have to have 3 stickers in this row. Go ahead and make them, guys. Make 3 stickers in all the rows. Okay. You don't have 3 rows. You don't have 5 rows. You have 3 rows. You need to have 5 rows. Yours needs to look like mine. There should be 5. You have to do it that way. Okay? 5 going down. You can get the same answer the way you did it, Ethan. But let's make sure that we're doing it the way they asked us. 5 rows. Okay? Okay. Now, we have 5 rows of stickers and 3 stickers in each row. Okay? Now, count all of the stickers, or all of your circles.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
I think you have too many if you have that. Okay. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We should have 15 stickers. Okay, so that's our answer. How many stickers does Theo have? 15 stickers.
11.
Okay, remember how I talked about how we were going to skip count? Instead of counting them all by ones, we could also count by threes. Okay, so we could do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You're counting by threes 5 times, okay? Or you could have counted by fives 3 times. You could have done 5, 10, 15, okay? Okay, next page now. Okay, we're going to act out the problem or draw to show what we did. Okay, let's read the first story problem. Maria puts all of her postcards in 4 rows. There are 3 postcards in each row. How many postcards does Maria have? Let's do our drawings. Okay, how many rows of postcards does she have? 4. So how do I draw that? 4 going down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And how many postcards are in each row, Grayson? 3 are in each row. So make sure each row has 3. Don't do 3 more. Just add. Make sure every row has 3.
Just add 2.
Yeah. Okay, now let's skip count so we can see how many she has. What will we skip count by? 3s?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So how many postcards does she have? 12 postcards.
I get the hang of this.
Good.
Me too.
Good. Glad to hear that. Okay, let's do number 2. Jamal puts 4 toys in each box. How many toys will he put in 4 boxes? Okay, did you notice how this one doesn't say rows? It doesn't say rows, does it? Okay, so this time, I want our pictures to be drawn a different way. It says we have 4 toys in each box, and that there are 4 boxes. Let's draw the 4 boxes, okay? So we're going to draw 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and 4 boxes, okay? Because there are 4 boxes, he said. 4 toy boxes, right? And how many toys did he say were in each box? Xander? 4. Let's draw 4 toys in each box. I'm just making up circles. I'm pretending they're toys.
Toy circles.
Put 4 toys in each box. Okay, who thinks they can tell me what we're going to skip count by? What are we going to skip count by on this one, Casey?
2.
4s. Because this one would have 4. Then this one would be 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 more would be 12. And 4 more than that would be 16. How many toys are in all the boxes?
16.
Yes, 16 toys. Okay. Now, on the next page is show and share. You will do that with a partner. And then let's turn to the on your own.
Oh, we do the hot problem together?
Yeah, let's do the hot problem real quick together while we're videoing.
Oh, yes.
Okay? And then you guys will do your partner work and then on your own, and then you will do the homework. Okay?
Yeah, this is good. Bye.
Yes. Okay, so let's do number 7. Everybody ready?
Yes.
Angela used these counters to act out a problem. Write a problem about equal groups that Angela could have modeled with these counters. Okay, so we have to use the word the name Angela. So let's just start with that. We're doing a word problem. We're going to start with Angela.
And we gotta make it a capital.
Yes.
So the
Name.
name and it's at the beginning.
Okay. Now, what are we going to say about Angela? What does she have? Let's pretend she has something. What is Angela going to have, Jaren?
Angela has $5.
$5?
Dogs.
Dogs. Angela has, I'm going to change this. Because how many rows do we have? 2. Let's say 2 dogs. Okay, let's start with the rows first. Okay, has 2 dogs.
You do right like the
Number 2 is fine. You're in math time, so you can do numbers if you want. Okay. Angela has, if it was reading or phonics, I would say write the word out. But because we're in math, we're gonna just write the number. Okay. Angela has 2 dogs. So that is her 2 rows. Okay. Now what can her dogs have? What can each dog have? Xander?
dog toy.
Dog toys. Okay. Angela has 2 dogs. Period. Her dogs have how many? How many dog toys do they have? Isaac? No, they don't have 2 dog toys. How many dog toys do they have? Landon?
8.
No, not 8. Look, this is dog number 1. This is dog number 2. How many toys do they have? Matthias?
10.
No, each of them does not have 10.
5.
They each have 5. Her dogs, I should say each, sorry, or no, let's say have each, have 5 toys each. Her dogs have 5 toys each. I would say each dog had, I would have put each dog has 5 toys, but I already started a sentence, so that would probably sound better. Each dog has 5 toys. But... Okay, so what should my question be now? Kinley?
How many dog toys do they have in all?
Yes, how many dog toys do they have in all? How many dog toys do they have in all? And what did you guys say for them to have in all? They had how many in all?
5.
No, how many in all? All means all. Yes, so write 10 dog toys. Or 10 toys as the answer.